Let's start my demonstration. You can see in figure 2, we want to build a solid model of hexagon tube. So you can see the length is 18 millimeters, width is 8 millimeters, and then we have got the hole in the middle is 3 millimeters. So we can use two methods to build that model. One is we can use the extrude first and then using the extrude cut to drill a hole, or we draw the hexagon and circle together and then just extrude it. So please look at the first method, because the first one you just draw from the part file. Start from the sketch. So select the right work plane to start the new 2D sketch for the polygon. So the polygon, you can use the tools pull down menus, sketch entities. You can find the polygon here. Center of the polygon should be the origin, and then you just click here. And then you can see that one, that line. You can see, you can click the relations for the horizontal, and then you just make the smart dimension is 8 millimeters for the dimension, and then zoom to fit. So I think that one is the first method. I can use the 3D features for the extrude base for the 18 millimeters for the length, and then you can see the preview window right now, and then click OK. Extrude the body, and then I can choose that face to insert another new sketch, and then you can see you can use the spacebar to click into the right view, and then you can draw a circle at the origin, because we start the polygons at the origin, so we can also start our circle at the origin point, and then you just make the smart dimension for the 3 millimeters for the hole, and then spacebar for the isometric view. And then that one we will choose another 3D features, extrude cut, because extrude cut actually is drill the hole or the pocket. So you can see we have got the direction that you can choose it, or we can use up to surface here, because you can right click to rotate and then choose that face, and then you can see the hole is the through hole, and then click OK to finish it. So the hexagon tube, you can use that method to do it. Second method is when you new the part file, we can use the right work plane to insert the new sketch, and then draw the circle first. The circle should be 1.5 radius, because the diameter, you can see we can just make diameter 3 for the smart dimension here, or just click into your left hand side, you can type the radius, and then you can just zoom to fit and then draw another polygons here, because the close profile, I think you can draw together to produce the extrude, and then draw that one and then that one for the polygon. And then the polygon, you can just use the horizontal for the line, and then you can use smart dimension to make the width here. The width should be 8 millimeters. So you can see all of the dimension here is very clear. 8 millimeters, diameter 3 for the hole. And then we can go to the spacebar, isometric view, and then using the features for the extrude base, because that one is the length for the 18 millimeters. And then when you zoom it, you can use that sketch to extrude it, or you can use extrude cut to do it, because that one we use the two basic features. One is extrude to extrude the hexagon, and then using the extrude cut to cut the hole. So we have got two methods, because the first method you need to draw two sketch here and then using two different features. But for the second method, you can use just one sketch that you can just extrude for the body. That's all of my